Hi guys, welcome to my channel. In this video I'm going to tell you about a recent update in OpenAI, that is Sora AI, and everyone wants to know about this tool. I thought I should make a video on this topic, how to use this tool, what are the capabilities and weaknesses of this tool. So if you're new to my channel, just subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon so you don't miss the interesting videos like this. So let's dive into this tool. So let's go to the Google and I will type Sora AI. First website, we will see how to use this, and this is an AI model that create realistic and imaginative scenes from text to video, and this is a great model which create high quality videos. There are different capabilities, safety and research. So as you can see, there are the videos. There is a stylish woman walks down a Tokyo street, feel the warm glowing neon and animated city. This is the real footage. You can, as you can see, means filmmaking is going to end now. As you can see, the image of this girl and the scene is super cool, and scene of this video is amazing. So this is the drastic change is coming soon. So we will see the other videos here. These videos are very realistic. As you can see, like these elephants are treading through a snowy meadows, and their long woolly fur lightly blows in the wind as they walk, and as you can see, the snow capped mountains in the distance, and highly detailed or very realistic we create. So when I saw this video, I just amazed to see it. Just thought this is the scene of a movie, and but this is created by Sora AI. As you can see, the trailer of a movie, that adventures of the 30-year-old spaceman wearing a red wool knitted motorcycle helmet, blue sky and cinematic style, and 3mm film waved color. This is the animated movie which is created. Animated scenes features a close-up of a short fluffy monster kneeling beside a melting red candle. The art style is 3D and realistic with a focus on lightning and texture. Sora has the capability to generate videos in different aspects. As you can see, these videos are the ratio 6:9. As you can see, these are also amazing, granting access to a number of visual artists, designers and filmmakers to gain feedback and how to advance the model to be the most helpful for creative professionals. And they are sharing our research progress, our early to start working with and getting feedback from people and outside of the open AI, and to give the public a sense of what AI capabilities are on the horizon. There are some weaknesses prompt here. Step running scenes of a person running cinematic film shot in the 35mm, and the weakness of this prompt is Sora sometimes create physical impulsible motion. So look at this scene, and there is a flock of puppies, remote gravel cold sounded like that. The pups run and leap, chasing each other and nipping at each other, playing. The weakness of this and animals people can spontaneously appear, especially look at there are trees appear in the scene and have many entities. So there are some weaknesses in which they are working. So like in this basketball throw hoop then explode, an example of inaccurate physical modeling and unnatural object morphing. So these are the some weaknesses it has, but anyways, it has amazing qualities to generate videos. Like a grandmother with neatly combed gray hair stand behind a colorful birthday cake with numerous candles at a wood dining room table, expression in one for pure joy. weakness in it. Simulating complex interaction between object and multiple character is often challenging as for the model. Weakness, experts are also working in some areas like they are checking it can be create hateful content or an adult content. So they are researching on, so that's why it's not publicly launched. So some of the designers or filmmaker are researching on. This is the Sora AI. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you like this video about Sora and got to know something about this. Thank you so much for watching. Take care of yourself. Allah Hafiz.